So tire load index is going to be the maximum weight capacity that is allowed of your tires. And it is extremely important to understand that, since as it does directly affect your safety going higher or lower on those ends. The tire speed rating indicates the maximum miles per hour that are rated for the tire, and that's going to be important for maximizing the longevity of your tire as well as fuel efficiency. Drivers can find the load index and speed rating in a couple different places. The first place that I would recommend would be on the side of the tire. It's going to be right beside your tire size here. So for example, this one is a 103H, and that's going to be your load index as well as your speed rating. It also shows in your owner's manual, and there's a sticker on the inside of your driver's side door that also shows the correct manufacturer speed rating and load capacity. Potential risk for not having the correct load index or speed rating on your vehicle is tire blowout. That one is probably one of the bigger ones, as well as multi-vehicle, but I would say that the biggest thing would be tire failure, tire blowout, any of those. So one of the biggest misconceptions of load index would be that the higher you go in load index, the better handling and capability you have of the vehicle, when it's actually just you have more room for weight bearing. A lot of people that have bigger trucks or something that requires a little bit more weight, a lot of times they think that they could go down or up, when really it's best to just stick with exactly what manufacturer recommends on there. A couple examples of speed rating and load index. On your passenger vans or your heavier duty trucks, you will see a higher load index and a lower speed rating. If a customer is ever unsure of load index or speed rating on your tires, my first recommendation is to always make sure to ask questions, especially when purchasing tires. We want to make sure that you are getting what the vehicle is equipped to have. Another good one is to look in the owner's manual if you are unsure, and then you can always call and ask questions. We're more than happy to answer those for you.